Who would have thought that the sneeze we consider brief could actually hold such incredible power? The projectile speed of your sneeze can reportedly reach up to 160 kilometers per hour, or the equivalent of 45 meters per second, a figure that rivals the speed of a car on a highway. Although some studies present more relaxed figures, around 16 kilometers per hour, 4.5 meters per second, the essence remains the same. Each exhale has the potential to launch thousands of droplets of saliva or mucus, which, of course, combine with germs and bacteria from our bodies.